Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to assemble your speaker to look a little bit like this. So I'll start with deleting out all my parts and pieces and getting it back to the basics. So first off, make sure that all your files are saved in the same folder. So from Secta, download the charger, the battery, and the speaker, and the switch. Put them all in your folder for your work. Now go Place. Oh, sorry, we'll start fresh with another piece. So you go File, New, Metric. So you want the standard millimeter assembly. So Assembly, Standard Millimeter, and click on Create. So once you're there, you'll click Place. You'll load in the body. Hit the Escape key to stop making more. Rotate your view. So remember, rotate view is Shift and hold your mouse wheel down. Place. Let's next add in the speaker. So I'll click once, twice. Place in next my charger. Place a switch. Okay, when you're done, you hit Escape. The first part you need to know is called Constrain. So when you select this tool, you're telling it basically what you want it to do. So first off, if I zoom into my speaker, make sure that you move till you find the center line the speaker selected. So we're not clicking, we're just moving our mouse. Now I'll click my mouse once, that selects the center line. Move to the center line, where you see the center line of the speaker hole. Not the edge, but the center line. Once you have that, click on it. If it doesn't pop in the way that you like it, and it looks funny, you may need to, if it doesn't come out looking quite right, what you can do is you can click on your item, and then click the free rotate tool. Make sure it's rotated till it's kind of similar to what you want. So I want it to look kind of something like this in my speaker. Okay, you click the Escape tool. Now Constrain, grab the center line of the speaker, the center line of the hole, okay, and then click OK. Now notice once that happens, it's centered in your speaker, but it can move back and forth. Your next tip is to click Constrain again, zoom in, select the surface of the speaker that you want to attach to. So if I want this front surface here, I'll click that, and I'll use my rotate tool. So Shift in the mouse wheel, and I'll zoom in, and I want to touch the back of the speaker part here. If I click OK, you will now see by dragging this around, it's attached. So we'll repeat again with this one. Constrain, make sure you select the center line of the speaker, the center line of the hole, and click OK. Drag your speaker back, click Constrain, select the front face, make sure you get this little arrowhead, then zoom around, select the back wherever you want it to attach to that surface, and click OK. Let's move next in this guy. So I'm going to use my free rotate tool, click on my piece, rotate it to kind of how it needs to look. So something like this. Click Constrain. Okay, I would like the back surface of this here to touch the inside surface of this part. Click Accept. The next tool I want to do is I want to select this surface here, the top edge of that bump, and the bottom edge of this surface. See, now it looks correct. Click Apply. Now I would like this surface to touch that surface, but I want them flush. So I'm going to switch my tool, click this one, and click these two surfaces. Click OK. And you'll see it's attached inside my work. Okay, next up, let's work on the switch. So I'm going to go Constrain tool, I select this surface here. I'm going to zoom in and select this surface because I want them to touch. Click apply. I want this surface here to touch this edge here. Now moves it down. Click apply. Now if I close this out, you can see it's in the right spot, but it can still be moved. So now I'm going to go constrain and select this surface here and this edge, and now it's locked in place. Now you'll see my part is complete. So now you can make the back and then assemble it onto here. So click save and give it a name.